Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. Gorgeous car, guys. Pretty color combination. Yes, the sun's out and it's sprinkling. We're trying to beat the rain here. Welcome to Michigan. Sun's out and it's sprinkling on us. But neat car. The paint's called dark cherry. It's a metallic, gorgeous color on it. Deep burgundy, I guess you'd call it, to kind of describe it to you. It's got all new white vinyl interior on it. This is a little bit of an older body up restoration, still very well maintained, good car. It's got a Muncie 4-speed with a 350 Chevy. Yeah, I apologize, you're gonna see it's just sprinkling, but I'm trying to get this video done before the rain gets here. But neat car. Like I say, small, little cammed up small block Chevy with a Muncie 4-speed. Again, these are just little water driplets. There's a couple little touch-up marks you can kind of nitpick on the car, but still very nice car. All brand new trim. They actually just put all new trim on this car. So it's got the correct 3-piece bumpers. That'll give you a good feeling for the color here. It's got a really neat color on it. Dark cherry metallic is what it's called. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, all this stuff is new. They just replaced it. They also, in factory, it would have been a fawn interior. They've actually changed it to white. Pretty car. Dual antenna here in the back. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. There's a little touch-up mark you can see there. But again, all this trim's new bumpers. Really pretty. They've lowered it down a little bit. Nice and straight down the sides. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got a set of 17 and 18 inch Ridler wheels with that knockoff cap. Pretty car. It's a cool color. Not factory, it's not original, but it's pretty. They've converted the front disc brakes. Again, 350 Chevy small block, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got Hedman headers on it. Brand new power steering, so they just replaced the power steering pump. HEI distributor. Again, power front disc brakes. Aluminum radiator with a factory shroud. There you go. Get another good look at the color. And the raindrops have stopped and it's almost drying up. You might get lucky and get through this before the rain actually gets here, because it's coming. A-pillar chrome's nice, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look good. This is a true SS. If you look up the trim tag of this, it was a factory bucket seat console car, which is what the SS's had. Can't really break these cars down through the VIN, but you can break them down through the trim tag. Bucket seats, center console, chrome tilt column. It's got the factory dash. You don't know the actual miles on it. It's showing 32,000. They didn't know what the miles on the resto were, so I can't really give you that. Bosch tach. It's got some aftermarket gauges, aftermarket sound system in it. Hurst shifter. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with electric cutout switches underneath the dash there. No big monster gear, stock rear axle. They did put a rear sway bar on it. Factory jack is in the back here. These are good looking cars, man. Not overdone underneath, so if you're looking for something to cruise. It's got the old Fisher body belts in it. New carpet. Dual chrome mirrors. Like I said, just with cam to it. Nothing crazy. Definitely got a nice little sound to it. Little rumble. It's got the electric cutouts. Tach works. Fuel gauge works. I think all the rest of the gauges are down there. Oil pressure works. All that stuff's working. Everything opens and closes nice. Nice little cam in there. Radio works, blower motor works. And then we're going to check on the wipers. This is what we're going to check on time. It's got a couple of the original there you go. Yep. Okay. Yep. Left turns. I miss. Oh, sorry. Miss. Yeah. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us, guys.